Hey there everyone, it's Brendan here from the Crypto 101 team, and in today's video, we are going to be comparing Coinbase versus Robinhood. Now, these are two of the most popular exchanges in the world, and we're going to be breaking down which one of these is the best for holding and trading cryptocurrency through 5 different pieces of criteria. Now, criteria number 1 is going to be fees. Number 2 is going to be the coins that are listed. Number 3 is going to be the order types that are available. Number 4 is going to be the ease of use. And number 5 is going to be the overall features that are available to its customers. So if this sounds interesting and if you like videos like this one, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button because we are making videos just like this every single week, multiple times a week, all completely for free for you all to watch. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on in here and talk about which exchange is better. Is it Coinbase or is it Robinhood? So jumping right in from the top here, let's begin with criteria number 1. This is fees. Now, when it comes to Coinbase, they have a very standard trading fee model. The way that this works is that if you're using the Coinbase Classic or the Coinbase Simple exchange, you are going to be paying a fee on the amount of cryptocurrency that you trade on. It is rather high through the Simple exchange. However, you can get your fees reduced and lower if you go to their Pro or Advanced platform, and through that, you place limit orders through post-only mode. You can actually cut your fees by up to like 80 to 85% if you're doing this, depending on your trading style and the size of your account, but it saves you a lot of money. Robinhood, on the other hand, does not have a standard fee model. They actually run on 0 fees, but what this doesn't include is the hidden cost of spread. Now, what this means is that the price that you're buying at and the price that you're actually getting filled out behind the scenes is probably going to be a little bit different, and Robinhood benefits because they are playing on the spread in between these different values. So at face value, yes, you are getting filled with a $0 fee on Robinhood. However, there is spread that is available. So if you're trading market orders on Robinhood, you're going to be playing at a disadvantage. The way to mitigate this spread is by playing or placing limit orders at very specific prices. This ensures that you get less hurt by spread, you get less slippage, and you don't have to deal with this as much. So overall, Robinhood is technically speaking the cheaper option if you're using limit orders. However, you have to be a little bit careful here with those market orders and with the overall exchange because there is a little bit of spread that can be involved, and that's how they make some money at the end of the day. So I'm going to give the point here as a pretty even tie. I think that you can, technically speaking, give it to Robinhood, but it's pretty close. Now, number 2 is the coins that are listed. Coinbase has over 250 cryptocurrencies listed, whereas Robinhood only has around 15 to 20 coins that are listed, depending on where you are accessing their brokerage from, because certain coins are going to be available in different areas. So Coinbase here wins by far, right? Having over 250 cryptos available compared to maybe 20 cryptos available, there is really not a huge argument to be made there, as Coinbase has almost 12 times more cryptos available for you. So Coinbase is going to be the clear winner of point number 2. Point number 3 is the order types that are available. And on this, for Coinbase, you have market orders, you have limit orders, you have stop orders, and you also have take profit and stop loss orders. This is a big deal. You get a pretty big variety. You can be very specific with your order types, and they have a more advanced interface. With Robinhood, on the other hand, you are going to be a lot more limited. You can do your market orders and your limit orders, and you can do stop orders, and that's about it. You really can't get too advanced with it. They don't have a heavily advanced interface like Coinbase does. And you are going to be overall more limited through the Robinhood app. So Coinbase, again, is going to win point number 3, making them take the lead. Point number 4 here is going to be the overall ease of access. Now you have Robinhood over here, which is known for this, and Coinbase, which is also known for this, but they're in 2 slightly different spaces. So with Coinbase here, they are what I would say is the easiest crypto native platform for people who want to get involved in the cryptocurrency industry specifically. Robinhood plays into this very simple, easy investment or trading way as well. They are extremely easy for beginners. I would even say that they are easier to use than Coinbase. They are much more straightforward, much more simple, and overall easier. However, it was not a platform that was built for the sole purpose of the crypto markets. They have built their product around and expanded to the crypto markets, but that is not the sole purpose of their product. So they're a little bit different here. Whereas Coinbase, the entire point of their existence is solely and only cryptocurrency. So what is the winner here? I would say at a high level, Robinhood is easier in theory. However, it's a little bit of a coin toss here. If you're saying, well, is one going to be easier for the crypto markets in all of its purposes? I think Coinbase fits that argument better. If you're saying which exchange is at face value, if I want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or something very large, very mainstream, if I just want to buy that, well, Robinhood might be a slightly easier option for you in that case. So let's go ahead and move on to point number 5, and this is going to be the overall features of each of these respective platforms. Now, Coinbase over here is going to have a lot of features available. They have staking, they have a place where you can earn crypto, they have things for NFTs and wallets, and they have a whole learning area. They have their simple exchange, their advanced exchange, a news feed, you name it. They have a lot that's built in here for the crypto market. Robinhood, on the other hand, is, again, a little bit more simple, a little bit more bare bones. They are catering to people who want the simplest, easiest access. So they have a way that you can do crypto investing, you can do some trading, you can do some reoccurring investments and some buying. They also have kind of just like an all-in-one platform, and that's what they're meant to be, is this all-in-one stock, crypto, everything in between platform, which is going to make it available. I will say, the one thing that the one thing that Robinhood has that Coinbase does not have is availability to the cryptocurrency ETFs and option orders that come along with those. So on Coinbase's exchange, and maybe this fits better in the order types that are available, but on Coinbase, you're able to trade just spot, so just like positions in Bitcoin or whatever, and you're also able to trade futures contracts, which are leveraged. Now on Robinhood, you're able to trade the ETFs and options on those, which is leverage, but it's a different kind of leverage. Now with the ETFs, you can buy shares of those ETFs, and then you can buy and sell different kinds of options contracts. So people like to buy calls, buy puts. They can also sell calls and sell puts. These create a number of different strategies that people can get access to, and that is something that a lot of people do like. There's a lot of options gurus or fanatics out there, and that's going to be a huge swaying point. There's also a lot of futures traders out there, and that's going to be a massive swaying point. So again, futures trading and spot trading is available on Coinbase. Spot trading and options trading is only going to be something that is available on Robinhood for the Bitcoin ETFs at the moment. So which one is the overall best exchange for crypto investors? Now, this is going to be a pretty close call, but I have to give it to Coinbase here. Again, the entire purpose of their platform and everything that they've done is solely for the point of crypto. You're going to be getting a very simple platform with a lot more cryptocurrencies. You're going to get a whole ton of features, all different types of material in a very, very easy to access way. So I have to say, if the overall purpose is solely and only cryptocurrency, Coinbase, depending on what you're exactly trying to do, as we've talked about, is going to be the leader in this video. So that's going to go ahead and wrap us up here. Let us know. Do you agree with us? Do you not agree with us? Did we miss something that should have been addressed? We would love to hear it from you, and who knows, maybe we can make another one of these in the not so distant future. But if you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to get access to our entire crypto portfolio for just $1, you can go down in the link down below, or rather in the description down below, and get access to that down there. So once again, thank you all for watching, and we'll see all of you in the next tutorial.